Hello guys, Furfuse Loco here, and I got a package in the mail, and one thing I kind of want to mention is I am sorry for skipping of the Furfuse Loco Mall Chain Views 2 weeks in a row. Hopefully, I can upload the 2 remaining episodes by next week, and along with another episode, which those episodes were pre-recorded, which I just filmed them in bulk, since I had a lot of time on my hands. So let's just get into the package, and I already mentioned what it was from my video where I showed off Den. Well, my custom Den. Oh. If I can, there we go. This newspaper. And here's what I got. A Bachman Clarabelle and a Tenderless Tommy Murdoch, which unfortunately my old Murdoch bit the dust a long time ago, and I've been wanting to get a replacement. And now I have it. Well, part of it, which this Murdoch model will probably use Hank's tender, that Hank tender I bought from a flea market. It'll be using that tender until I can get him a proper tender, which, if anyone out there can help me find a Murdoch tender, that would be much great help. Well, that would actually be a pretty big help. And what I might do is with this Murdoch is I might make a mold of this face and pretty much put it onto a Hornby 9F. So that way I can make Murdoch. Well, pretty much how Murdoch will... Which, in my Tossies, the engines will have realistic liveries. For examples, Murdoch will be in BR Green, Ryan GNR Green, Molly and GE are blue, Lady and Billy and NW are red, Charlie and NW are blue, so yeah. Hopefully I can find Murdoch a tender, and Clarabelle is kind of... I am making this into the Works Unit coach. Unfortunately, this Clarabelle is a bit damaged, like one of the wheels is missing. Oh, and the oh dear, one of the axles is about to come off, is about to break off. I'll have to fix that. I'll probably just give it new wheels. I have some spare wheels that I took off of an old wagon that will be used. So, yeah, this is Furfuse Loco signing off.